Hello guys. Ayan. So magluto tayo ng halo-halong gulay. Meron tayong baboy at saka cauliflower. Meron tayong bagyo beans at saka carrots. Ayan po. Bell pepper at saka sayote. Bawang at saka sibuyas. Siyempre hindi mawala itong ating paborito na kakarin at saka saging. So sabahan niyo po sa pagluto guys. So start na po tayo sa pagluto. Pasensya na po kayo dahil medyo malit lang po aking kusina. Sana po manood kayo. So ayan, ilagay na po natin itong baboy. So isunod natin itong carrots kasi para sabay sila lumamot. So bago yan, sana po mag-subscribe kayo sa aking channel na Estero TV. Like as a share. Salamat po guys. So ayan po guys. Pag nagluluto po ako, kunti lang po ilagay ko na mantika. Basta makakakuha na sa aking bawang. Ayan guys. So, tatlong kutsara ng cornstarch ang inay natin.
So, pag maraming tubig, mapapawasan nyo na.
So, ayan guys. Ilagay na po natin itong cornstarch. So, pati pork cubes, ilagay po natin. Mahirap talaga pag walang tagahawak ng cam. Salamat po sa panood guys. Salamat po. Ilagay na po natin itong sayote guys. Sana po huwag kayo magsawa sa aking video. Kahit bulol, at least nakuha ko na aking so ayan guys. So ayan guys. Ngayon pa ba ako susuko na nasa akin na itong Google AdSense. Diba? Ayan. Ngayon pa kaya ako susuko na malapit na ako. More. Salamat po sa pag-support sa akin. Salamat po sa pag-support ako. Sana po sa like and subscribe po. Bilang content creator, sana po support din mo ng mga video guys. So ilagay na po natin itong bell pepper. So ilagay natin yung sibuyas. Ilagay na po natin itong cauliflower. At itong bagyo beans.
of a congressman is a governor. That's why, when I graduated, I ran for governor. Sabi ko, oh, lucky you. So, how is it now? Nabudol ako. Ang hirap ko lang ng trabaho na to. If this is our job, how to keep our GDP growth rate at a certain rate and maintain it, how to keep the health of our people intact, the education and almost everything, including agriculture, how much more ang trabaho mo, Mr. President? I cannot imagine. In fact, if somebody asked me to run for president, seeing the kind of job and challenge that you have, we'd probably say, magbabarangay chairman na lang kami. So, saying that, Mr. President, the least we can do with the problems you're faced, what? Because kawawa naman ang buong Pilipinas. Kung ang leader natin is minsan nagsisisi. I think that's also true for all the mayors and the governors. We're here, sir. The least we can do is really help you out with your program. Whether we like it or not, we have one of the highest growth rate. I look at international arena. With all the wars going on right now, we seem to be scared because we're still out there doing well. Whether the detractors believe it or not. And again, we're here because actually si Mr. President parating na nasa Argentina. But today we're here.
Ayan guys. Manay. Ayan po guys.
We're actually here today.
Luto na siya. So, tikpan natin itong luto ko kung masarap. Siyempre, luto ko yan.
Because
Masarap yan. Okay?
being the one Visayas, we're here